back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another high-paying work-from-home job lead. This one is from the huge retailer Best Buy. If you are in the finance field at all, if you have a finance background or an accounting background, this might be just for you. Best Buy is hiring an accounting manager. Now, this is remote within the United States. And the manager will be overseeing their exclusive brands, including Insignia, Rocketfish, and Platinum. You'll ensure accurate and consistent application of GAAP accounting principles for their international and exclusive brands business. You'll partner with any tax and CBT legal entity structure overseeing the appropriate accounting. You'll lead and develop a team of 4 senior accounting analysts. You'll be working with AR, AP, and business operations team to make sure the proper receipt and payment from and to the customers and vendors is correct and recorded. You'll also have oversight of control, development, and management around month-end close flows. And of course, you'll review monthly financial results and collaborate with Canada in preparing commentary for the balance sheet, cash flows, and the P&L statements. Now, of course, they prefer a bachelor degree in accounting or finance, but they're not actually requiring it. The only things they're actually requiring is someone who has 5 years of work experience in some kind of accounting or finance capacity, and someone who is intermediate at Microsoft Excel, doing all those spreadsheets and math calculations. Now, they do pay very, very well. They pay anywhere from $75,000 a year all the way up to $134,000 a year. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.